Ito po ako ngayon, pababa na sa baba at papunta sa social de. Hanapin si Ma'am Selengit, si Mori, si Chula, si Mike.
Ano yan?
Dokumentaryo.
Ay, ang pastor ng aming team.
Ito, pastor ng Amity, si Andy, si Maki, si Roman.
Hi!
Hi. Mabilis, Mike. Saan yan? Andy, say hi to the camera.
Si Maki, kala mo hindi ginagawa yan eh.
Andy.
Play mo na, play mo na.
Andy talaga, you're shy. Busin natin, isang oras. Di pa hanggang mamaya pa to. Michael ka na, punta tayo social. Ayan, we're on the way to the social studies department. We're going to meet Miss Salenga about the book I'm going to borrow. Ayan naman, nagpa-practice ng cotillion.
Ilang minutes yan?
Pa-practice ng cotillion, isang oras. Ay mga kaibigan, si Ma'am Payumo. Okay. Now, ayan mga klase. Ayan.
Torres High School.
This is Torres High School. Lalagay sa YouTube to.
Future to be yours.
Okay. This is ER. ER, say hi. Louis, say hi.
Ano ba? Comment kayo.
No?
Nasa vlog yan, yar. Kaya no. Oo, nasa vlog yan. Bahala kayo.
Ayan. Okay. This is the classes of Torres High School. Now I'm doing my artwork here. Empty classroom, right? Okay. People at Torres High School. Let's go La Cuaracha. That's Mami Nasher up there. Here we can find the principal's office. It's located inside the school. And now we're going upstairs to meet Ma'am Salenga about her book. On Monday, I'm going to report about Adolf Hitler. So, we're going to catch about that, huh? This is the Filipino Department Head Office.